Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm here. It's your girl Dominique. But I'm asking you guys to see with me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm just fling on the wig here for start the video here. I'm gonna talk very fast. I don't want to bite my list down. But before we go any further, let's welcome the big bad intro. And on we'll go. What's up everybody, how you doing? Currently I'm in the moment of teaching, like I'm literally teaching, yeah, but I like lunchtime now, but I'm still like a feature on in my day. I'm currently in Clarendon, so yeah. Different setting. You don't know when the peach all them come in and all them something there, I'm not there my yard, cause I know my house no pink and peach, and my house supposed to be in a white. So anyways, all of that rumbling not necessary, so we're now jumping up. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, all that good jazz. Yay! So I'm here at home. Currently I have company at home. My mom gone at work and I'm here chilling with the what would you call yourself? Ara! She's an helper, but we don't say that to her to let Ara! Until Ara come to the vlog, I'm gonna consume some grape and some apples. Mommy put this in a way I can't even pass, Bridging. What did I do you saw? I am bored to go over in my storage room. Sorry about that. So angry. Alright, consume some grapes. Consume some apples. So we're gonna grab that, go in the kitchen. Yeah, I had oranges this morning, which is over here. Oranges is over here, dark and something. But currently, I'm gonna get a apple. Me personally, I don't like when apples are too ripe because my feet sound like a PNC. Can't manage. Come at me, can't manage. Anyways, I don't like when my apples are too ripe. Like, I hate when they're too ripe and they just taste too soft. Hey, I was introducing yo, Ara. Was introducing you to the vlog. Say hello. Ratty, that was your god. Ara, where you gone? She gone. I'm gonna chill and she gone. Ara, where you gone? You know what? Say hello. Huh? Say hello to. Say hello. Hello. So who are you? Say hello, who are you? Who are you? I'm not saying to say who are you, but you know, hello, you introduce yourself to the vlog. Hello. She's the helper. Can you put this in the fridge? Oh, it's okay. Put your water in there. It's okay. I'll do it myself. Alright, she's getting some cleaning done, so you know what? I don't want to make anything too hard for her, so I'm gonna just do my things myself. I don't want to seem too petty, so I'll go while me grab them. Is there water in this? Done nothing to wash out. I don't know all this fruit eating in Jamaica thing going now. You see? If I get a friend that consumes and consume one whole heap of fruit, you can't do that out here in Jamaica because fruits are really expensive. So like when you're buying grapes, oh my god. Pain a lick me. When you're buying grapes, you have to buy like a small parcel if you want to feel like you're having something, and then you consume like 4 or 5 a time. You understand? So every morning you don't consume 4 or 5 if you can't afford to have yourself purchasing a whole lot. So ugh. Wow. I hate when my grapes are busted out. They fit my stomach. So honestly, what to do today to make this vlog interesting? I don't know. See if this upper positive. Yeah. Once me in about 5 seconds of chewing it, It passed the test. If I bite it and it has the soft, let's see me dash it out. That's all. Yeah. So it passed the test. So people, I'm eating and talking. Okay. Alright guys. I'm currently in the process of figuring out my Vlogmas intro. I just made my purchase last night for the outfit that is going to be in it. I told you guys I'm doing actually a video. I'm not doing one of those animated stuff like how my intro basically look, and I will not be doing that. So I'm doing an actual video, and I really wanted a photographer to do this, but to be honest with you, I'm not gonna dash her my money. Every photographer I contacted, they are literally giving me the price, like say hold on, to say 15 grand for 1 hour, and I get 15, like I would do photos in it too, and like so for a 1 minute video it's 15 grand, and for like 15 to 20 touched pictures for a 1 hour session with one person is literally 15 grand. Oh, me no friend can't dash my money like that. That's serious. My son cheap, but that had dash your money. Why may I pay 15 grand 1 hour session and only get 15 touch pictures? Whoops. Nope. And listen, the prices are separated, because if I want to do the video, I have to pay 15 grand for the video, and if I want to do pictures, that's another 15 grand. Me, I gotta buy one proper light for my thing what me I gotta do, and do my thing myself. So I mean, I'm gonna try to make it as professional as possible, but I'm not gonna dash my money. I'm sorry. That money could be used to design my house, because so many stuff is needed, so many stuff is in place to, you know, whatever, planned out and everything. So no, not gonna happen. Episode though of me having a bad day, like literally, this is turning my day into a bad day. I am having female issues, and this is actually my best friend, Advil. Somebody once told me not to consume too much Advil because they say it has too much, what did she said? What is this made up of? I don't know, I don't care right now, but, Advil, brother, best friend, right now, get a bottle of water. I prefer right now to not feel a pain instead of think about what's good for me. I think just facts. I'm sorry, just facts. So guys, alright, my mom started off her Christmas thing. Listen, don't come back me mom, my wig and my wig ratchet. I don't know, I'm stay already. I'm just never didn't want to come with the platinum, so I'm put on a wig. My mom started the Christmas shopping. This lady, she got her comforters already. Starting her Christmas shopping, she got her comforters. So definitely, I'm gonna try to do some room tour up here in the Vlogmas. Yeah, and she recently purchased this new piece right here, you know, to make like a nice addition to her room. And so guys, so we came up to giving a little semi tour of mom's room. Sorry, because all of this Christmas thing is gonna change out, so basically it's just a tour before the Christmas revamp comes on. So to mommy's door right now, she has like this dresser drawer with some whatever. I told her these stuff are too antique, because we are not antique people. They need to come out. Anyways, she has this big dresser here. It comes with a cupboard, and then she has like a vase on it, pictures of herself, and I think there's a picture of me and her somewhere around here. Yeah, she has a vase on it. what I love with my mom though is when it comes down to curtains, she got the good. She just always neat and fine. That's where I kind of get my ideas from and whatever. She has curtains here like this, because this was a comforter that she was working with, this yellow and gray and whatever. All right, then she has a bedside table there. Over there is like a little area, but I'm kind of telling her, mom, revamp this area. Let's try. It's okay though. I don't really have a problem with it, but I kind of get a nice little, picture vibe area over here. But it's mom. She do what she wanna do. Then you have this queen size bed here. This queen size bed here, it comes with the headboard, and then you have the, only thing is kind of missing is the piece that you put over at the top, but she don't want that. It's a queen size bed, and this is a comforter that she worked with, and she dress it up she want. Above her head she has this nice frame that matches with the comforter, and the same sheet, not sheet, curtains come from over here to over here, and then this bedside lamp right here. Focus a little bit better. The focus drop out. What happened? Now focus, people. Hold on. Now focus. Alright, see if we focus, I'll come back. Alright, and then over here we have another what you call this now? A chester jar. This you don't call chester jar. I don't remember what you call this, with half chester jar, half whatever. I don't remember that. And then over here now you have her closet. So it's her big closet over here. He's on her side, and up here, whatever. And then she had this rug here on the floor to match, really. So it's a really, yeah. So this is it basically. Summit tour of mom's room. Hoping for Christmas to be something more fancy. Yeah.